guys, today we're gonna do the get in orbit and back challenge again with no cheats. Alright, let's launch. So right here we have the rocket we used last time. Looks pretty good, pretty bad. Yep, let's just go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. So this is an amazing game. Alright, let's get into orbit. Come on. I know this will work. Map. Okay, let's stop. Turn. We need to turn. Okay, come on. Yeah, we're gonna get in orbit. This will definitely work. Oh. Queen. Let's do this. Yeah. Come on. No, ran out of fuel. No problem. I mean, yes problem. Let's just go. Okay, this is gonna work. I know this will work. We're gonna send it to the moon instead. See the map? Yes, we need to get to orbit. Let's go. Come on. We're almost in orbit. Oh, Valiant. That fixes the problem. Okay, we're almost there. Come on. It's gonna get in orbit. I know it. It's gonna get in orbit. Come on. It's so close. It's only like a few hundred miles away. Come on, we almost there. Oh my god, orbit! Yes, still. We ran. Oh, no mind. I thought we ran out of fuel. My game lagged. Okay. I guess. Bye-bye, Randall. Die. Okay. We have this Randall. Roll forward. Come on. How's that not smooth? Yes, that's amazing. Yeah. I know we have to go in this direction, I think we have to go in this direction to make a perfect orbit, to go to the moon. Come on. Come on. No, incorrect direction. What? Oh, CS. No. Click. mission. We're off orbit. Come on. Isn't this just insane? Okay, we got like almost a perfect orbit. Let's navigate to moon. We need to speed up. 600 meters per second. That would be easy, probably. Speed forward. No, we're not. No, we're not going to the moon. Nope. I guess we'll just have to, like, cruise the breeze. Okay, that's the only one that's in orbit. Good. So, this is a rocket. Yeah, so, bye-bye, Randall. Explode, Randall. Now, we have to talk by ourselves. Oh my god, this will be... Right, go! Go to the planet. Oh. And no. Yeah. Now we just need to disconnect. We will do this. Which time will to the atmosphere. I said, oh no. Yeah, let's go. We're gonna do this. Let's go. Finally. Yeah. Let's go. We're gonna get the achievement. I think I already have the achievement. Yeah, I already have the achievement. Okay. Well, we're still gonna get it. We're still gonna get back, and we still got a little bit. So I guess that's okay. Come on. You're almost there. Yeah, why do we have a throttle on Spaceflight? We don't have an engine or something. 0. Okay. Okay. Okay, I thought... No, wrong. I thought the capsule was gonna blow up. Oh. No, not the capsule. Not the parachute. Come on. Phew. Cool down. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Okay. We can now. Okay. 3 times the speed. Three times. Come on. Okay. Now, do 2 times, not 3 times. 3 times is better. Let's go. Okay. We're gonna do it. Let's go. We're gonna do it. Yes. Cut. Let's go. Be careful. No new challenges because I already did the orbit. Space Shuttle? And we did